Hey, here's the rules. I've created a maze down here, and before you get to it, you're going to choose number 1, 2, or 3, and only one of them leads to $100. But here's the catch. You can't stop and look and check it all out. You've got to go over and choose 1, 2, or 3 and then start going down it immediately, or you forfeit the $100. Do you understand? You comprehend? Smart boy. You never understand. You don't stand under anyone. Okay, you ready?
Remember to hit that subscribe button and make it glow.
2, 3, go! 1, 2, or 3, which is it gonna be? $100! You just won 100 cash!